Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Environmental factors can have various effects on ecosystems. In August 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused significant damage in several states along the Gulf Coast, including Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. Thousands of people were evacuated from their homes due to flooding and other damage caused by the storm. What environmental impact would Hurricane Katrina not have caused? Early onset of spring, change in marine ecosystems, change in animal migration, or change in habitats? Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.